Okay, so today's question comes from Inbal and has to do with how quickly you should see results by using photonic therapy. First of all, it all depends what has happened and when it has happened. So let me give you an example with the humans again. Now, imagine that I just tripped and I hurt my ankle. If I use my torch immediately, my foot will not swell up as much as it normally would. It will not become so blue as it normally would. And if my foot is not broken within 10 minutes, I will be walking on it again. On the other hand, if I do nothing, my foot will swell up or my ankle will swell up. It will become blue and probably for a week or two it will hurt me. And maybe I will even need a crutch or something to walk. So that's where I want to go to. If your problem has been going on for a long time, it will take longer for you to get a result or to see the result or to feel the result. So if you have a chronic situation with your animals, you will need to torch every 2 days for a few weeks to see the difference. Okay, that's a chronic situation. But on the other hand, and I will put that video, I will search for that video. And that was of a horse when we arrived. That horse was having serious breathing problems. And he was too hot and his pulse was too quick and so on. So we did the standard points, we did the specific points of what we found out that was going on with him. And that same afternoon, when we went back, because she had called the vet, as I told her, you should call the vet so he can examine the horse. When we came back that same afternoon, it was a lot better. So, I mean, in a few hours, in this case, I don't know how quickly it went because we weren't there, I don't know, between 12 and 3 and 5 or something, we weren't there. I would have to look up the hours. But just giving him a session in the morning, going back in the afternoon, and that horse was better. So keep on torching, keep on doing the standard points. And I mean, the standard points will be stimulating the immune system, helping with the ATP system. These are all things that are happening inside. You don't see them from the outside. Don't forget that. Okay? Bye-bye.